Hi guys, so right now I am about to make my strawberry crates. I went to the Dollar General and picked up some landscaping fabric. It is 3 feet by 45 feet. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this real quick because I have this project to do and then I have my potatoes to do as well. And that's it. Today is Memorial Day. So we did our celebration on Saturday, so no celebrating today. I get to get some things done, which is fantastic. So here are my crates. They're a little dirty. I'm going to wash them before I use them. They were in my laundry room, but I get to repurpose them now and actually use them instead of just for storage. So here they are. I am going to measure out how much of this I need. My luck, it looks like just one sheet of fabric really is going to work for this. So I'm going to go ahead and make my cut. So I'm going to go ahead and measure another sheet based off of this one since I have 2 strawberry planters. And then I'm just going Okay, so I have my 2 sheets cut, and now I am just going to take these outside, rinse them, and then I will be cutting holes into this so that I can put the strawberries through. These are like perfect size holes for the strawberries to go through. So I don't think I'm gonna have to do anything extra with that. So I'll try and set you guys up outside. I don't know if I'll be able to, but I will let you guys see the finished product if anything else. So let's get to going. Off the buckets, and Cali Kim said to put rocks in the bottom of the bottom bucket. So I'm going to put those rocks on the bottom bucket. And that is what I'm going to do. Line it with this and then cut the holes. Okay, so this is the crate, my bottom crate. I'm gonna go ahead and put some rocks, 1 piece of landscaping fabric, and I'm going to just lay this inside the bucket. My first strawberry plants. My second. And my third. Put my rocks in. So I have them filled. I can't show you guys because my hands are all dirty, but I have them filled to the second hole or to the second row of the milk crates. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut holes into them so that I can put the strawberries through. Okay, so the problem with this is we have a lot of root to work with. So I'm gonna try and push this whole thing through this tiny hole. Okay, I got it. On to the next one.